In this video, we're going to be mounting a bolt and fastening a nut to the bottom end of the rear shock. It only takes a few simple hand tools, but you're also going to need a strong set of hands because somebody's got to lift that thing up. To mount the rear shock, we're only going to need the bolt and the nut. This is one of the larger bolts. Sometimes they put a spare in there. This is approximately 2 3/4 inches long. I also have some wire tie cutters. There's often a piece of wire that holds the shock to prevent it from swinging during shipping. Sometimes it's wound tightly. Sometimes you can just simply pull it out. 14mm and 13mm wrenches. First, we've got to get the rear end lifted up. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the wire. There is a spacer in there. I don't want that to come out. We'll just get that wire out of the way. We're going to feed this bolt from the right side through and have the nut on the left side. Don't put your arm in here. Do it from the bottom. Now you can do this with wrenches, but I'm going to hold the right side of the head bolt with a 13, and then he used a 14 with a socket and an extension. That does make things a lot faster. Now, as you can see, mounting that rear shock bolt is one of the more dangerous parts of assembling this motorcycle. Make sure you have someone that can hold that rear end up. We've also found that you can sometimes use this block of foam to help space things out, or at least serve as a safety if it's coming down. You don't want it to fall on your arm. Make sure you torque that bolt down to somewhere around 30 foot-pounds and you're golden.